My apologies for that. I ran out of time again. So what we were looking at is this bird's nest in the style of Cubism, which covers Chinese, Islamic, Cubist, human rights perspectives on the world and mixing it all together. Then we have the Kissing Coppers, which was a spray paint on wall artwork of two men who were police officers in the United Kingdom kissing each other. Again, plurality, diversity, non-gender conformity issues appearing, and a very different look than the other work we just saw. And here we have a hail back to our Taoist themes that we studied earlier in the semester, even though this was made in 1992, and not by a Chinese person, but somebody who's incorporating those themes and that identity. I just wanted to say thank you all for participating in this class with me. I've really enjoyed your ideas and your reading your assignments. I've learned a lot from each and every one of you. And I know it's been fast, but that's what happens when you sign up for an AP class. And on that note, I just want to remind you there is still one more student assessment of the course. It's an anonymous survey for 5 points of extra credit, and you can take it between now and Wednesday, December 12th at 11:59 p.m. I look forward to reading your papers, and good luck on the final exam. Bye-bye.